Good afternoon. I'm Suzanne Jarbo Simpson. I'm chair of the Extension Advisory Committee, and I welcome all of you to the 2012 Extension Showcase. So first of all, again, thank you. It's my privilege to welcome you to the 2012 CSU Larimer County Extension Showcase. We are absolutely honored to have so many elected and appointed officials with us this afternoon, along with our colleagues and partners with Colorado State University, in addition, of course, to the amazing Extension staff and our program participants. We view Showcase as Extension's annual accountability report, and 2012 is an exciting year for Colorado State University, Larimer County, and Extension. Colorado State University has been a part of our community for 150 years. Extension is celebrating 100 years in Colorado. Larimer County celebrated 150 years as a county, and our Larimer County Extension office has been a part of these institutions serving the needs of our county residents for 94 years. So I'm not going to do the math on that one, but there is a lot of history and a lot of commitment to education and information being delivered in a terrific way here in Larimer County. You've heard me say before, I believe the delivery model that was designed 100 years ago between land-grant universities and counties was absolutely brilliant, and I still believe this. We are so fortunate here in Larimer County because Extension is a true community partner. The research, resources, and support that is provided are determined by and in response to the needs of the communities and the regions that they serve. One of my colleagues, and a true Extension advocate, likes to refer to Extension as Google on the ground. When I first heard this, I was a bit baffled, but she explained, and I agree, that Extension not only provides quality research-based information to those who need it, but our staff and volunteers provide the training and the support that is so important to be able to understand and successfully implement the information that's provided. Extension continues to be on the cutting edge of programming in horticulture, financial education, and family leadership development. And as we know here in Larimer County, we have the largest 4-H club program in the state. It's not only a large and growing program, it is a quality program with all of the training that's offered throughout the years in subjects that incorporate science, technology, engineering, and the math principles. I personally love the flexibility and adaptability of Extension. One of the unplanned projects this year for a number of state and county entities has been responding to the fires that have plagued our region all year. Extension staff and volunteers responded to numerous phone calls and requests for resources, in addition to staffing the Emergency Response Center for weeks, sharing information, providing suggestions, and offering hope to our friends and neighbors who are trying to figure out what to do next and how to move forward with their lives. Let's talk for a moment about return on investment. For every dollar Larimer County spends to have Extension programs, the return on investment is an additional $2.89. That is a 289% return on investment. Extension volunteers gave 55,566 hours to help our small staff extend quality resources and information in Larimer County. When you factor in the value of the hours of the hundreds of Extension volunteers contributing to make Larimer County a quality place to live and work, the county's return on investment in Extension is 513%. Welcome, and thank you for being here. And I invite you to sit back and learn a bit about the most recent successes of Extension program participants. And at the same time, I have a challenge for you. Each of you is committed to addressing the concerns and meeting the needs of your community members. We in Extension are committed to continuing to bring quality, research-based information to our communities in a way that honors their needs. As you listen to today's highlights, I challenge you to consider how Extension can help you in addressing the needs of your communities and how you can assist Extension in making that happen. I would like to introduce Laurel Cuban, Director of Larimer County Extension.
Thank you, Suzanne. I think it is rather remarkable that in the movie theaters right now, there's a movie about President Abraham Lincoln. because it was actually during his time that the Morrill Act was signed that created our land-grant universities. That was the start of this amazing organization that we now call Extension. And I'm very pleased to work with a very fine staff of people here in Larimer County, as well as a lot of volunteers and individuals that come to us for assistance and research-based information. You have in front of you, or when you walked in, you received a packet, and we're not able to talk about all of our programs that we offer through Larimer County Extension, but in your packet there is additional information that I do hope that you will take time to review at some time, because you'll learn a whole lot more about the vast number of people that we touch their lives with good quality information that's pertinent to their situations.